Getting ready to load up for Jersey. We got the truck already all loaded other than the car and the trailer. Look at the man himself. Layered up. Yeah, coming through with the graphics, print, bro.
Yeah, YouTube.
YouTube, bro. Is this audio loud enough for you, bro? He's my #1 complainer about my audio. But look at this.
Audio sucks, dude.
He hooked it up. He made me some stickers free of charge because he's a good dude trying to help out the cause. And I'm going to be selling these in New Jersey. Hopefully I can release this video like one of the early days of this week. So if you guys see me, come get one of these cool, fancy, limited edition, chrome, flashy stickers. And then I haven't showed you guys this yet. Or actually I did kind of show it, but not really all that much. We got a front bumper again. Huge shout out to Andrew Ostrowski for painting this bumper in 2 days and prepping it for us. And we got the front of the car actually looking halfway decent. So this is cool. Justin printed the graphics and coming over here to make the car look cool. What a nice dude, man. We're gonna be styling. And then when we get back, we'll be doing the rear quarter swap. I think when we're in Englishtown, we actually might have somebody that's willing to try to pull this for us, which that'll be cool. So, well, we gotta load the car up in the trailer, and I'll see you guys in the morning. We're hitting the road at like 5 a.m. Head to Englishtown. It's 5 in the morning, and we're getting ready to hit the road because we've got a long drive ahead of us. I think it's like 11 hours. So let's hit it. Good morning. We are almost across well, we're in Ohio, almost to Pennsylvania. Just made a stop at the old service plaza. And about to hit the road again. It's really hard to film the cool scenery while driving. Also, anytime I put any other music than my intro, I get copyrighted. So that's kind of super annoying. But, man, the car almost looks good. Like, as long as you can't see that other side. It looks pretty good. Front bumper looking good. Hit the road. Alright guys, we made it! Raceway Park! Woo! Like a 10.5 hour drive. What took the longest, honestly, was the last hour. Once we went to go meet up with Austin, who's the body guy I was telling you guys about, that's going to pull our rear quarter. He decided he's just going to try to do it at the track because it'll be cheaper for me that way. And I appreciate him saving me money because this is all expensive. But look at guys, we literally made it. We got to unload this and we got to go meet up back with the crew, the Link crew, and eat some din-din. So hopefully we can get this stuff unloaded quick and go get some Kona Grill. Can't believe we made it though. Hell yeah. The bucket list park for me. Or bucket list track that I've always wanted to drive, so this is fucking sweet. And look at all the FD rigs. I'm gonna be like Justin when I grow up. Supporting teams. Look at this. It actually almost looks like a car on the side again. Huge shout out, dude. I appreciate you. Thanks to Chris for connecting me to Austin. And Austin literally making this car somewhat look like something on this side again and not just a crumpled beer can. And he's about to try to make a taillight fit in here. And will at least look not so shitty in pictures. And the car should drive sweet, so hell yeah. Huge shout out, dude. Thank you so much. Appreciate it. It has a taillight in it. Look at that. All because of this man right here. Thank you.
Come on, Adam!
Third place here, round 4 of the Formula Gym Pro Championship, Matt drinking right now, but second place, this gentleman making history, going for his first ever win, a bit outside, but let's see if we can get him some more here. Simon Olsen, second place here. watching GT Radio. Get up without cost, baby. There you go. Look at Lewis. Hold it up and look at Lewis right there. Without further ado, your winner here, round 4, the Formula Jet Pro Championship in the RTR Mustang RTR Spec 5D, Mr. Adam LZ.
This is gonna be another video that's just all over the place. So we're here, Pro Bro Down, pouring rain. I got like 3 dry corners in, and then it started raining. We blew a coupler off, and I had to come off track. So then by the time I got it fixed, it was like a thunder and lightning, lots of rain, and we've done a couple wet laps. It's super slow, but I guess it's better than nothing. Car's still pushing coolant with the new radiator and stuff, which kind of sucks. I still don't believe it's a head gasket because we did the head gasket test and it passed it. So I don't know exactly what it might be. We'll have to keep trying other stuff. But yeah, we're just waiting on grid. Englishtown's pretty freaking sick. This track's so awesome. I can't wait to try to drive it, hopefully in the drive one time this week, because it's going to be a fast track and it'll definitely be sick.
Sorry guys, I'm a lazy piece of shit and I didn't put the GoPro on because it was patchy. I wasn't sure how much we'd drive. We did get to get laps in with Corey. We kept flipping back and forth, which was cool, but it was super patchy, so we're being kind of sketch. Private tuner for the day was here.
Oh, wow.
Ran her out of fuel.
Are we on the tubes?
You know what's wrong with it?
So I couldn't tune more fuel into the gas tank. That was the only problem.
Yeah, it ain't got no gas in it.
Yep.
Ain't got no gas in it.
Can't give it the Bluetooth fuel map.
Corey's about to drive home. How depressing. He looks like he's probably gonna make it about an hour till he falls asleep.
He's zooming in on the...
I got like I think 1 dry lap, so that was cool. And then the car ran out of gas. So, but shout out to Tom for giving me fuel to fill the car up, so I don't have to take it to the gas station and then fill up my cans as well. So, but yeah, this video is probably coming to a close. We'll film the 50K stuff next, and we won't see him there. We'll see him there. Oh, he's not even supposed to be here right now. I didn't even say that part. His flight got canceled, and he's here till 10 p.m. tomorrow, so he has to hang out with me.
Canceled it because I just wanted to hang out with you all day. You know, that was me.
Yeah, it's my Pro Spec crew chief. Crew chief for Pro Spec right here. So, but all right, I'll catch you guys again in the next video. Have a good one.